We know you all love to hear and see everything that's happening at Vidanta, so we're going to show you our top 5 places to lounge with an ocean view within the all-new and incredible Beachland at Vidanta Nuevo Vallarta. We'll start off at Can't Miss Spot, the main pool. As you can see, this sprawling pool offers fabulous views and plenty of loungers. Grab a spot overlooking the pool bar and enjoy paradise at its most picturesque. Also next to the main pool is a great hammock area. You can relax here and take in the unobstructed ocean views. Now we're off to our new area exclusive for the estate's guests. How stunning is this infinity pool? Another The Estate's dedicated area is the terraced beach zone next to the estate's infinity pool. We've saved one of Beachland's most charming spots for last. Here at Salem Beachside Eateries and Market, you can choose from a huge array of swings and loungers to kick back and bask in the sunshine. Like what you see? You'll like it even more when you see everything in person. For now, I'm going to say adios and enjoy this gorgeous day at Vidanta Nuevo Vallarta's Beachland.